Imagine you are river rafting or you are jumping off a mountain. Do you want to capture these moments of yours? Well, then you need Osmo Action 4. This is the latest flagship action camera by DJI that can take your content creation to next level. Let's dive right into this video and know more about this action camera.
Less than a year after the successful launch of the Osmo Action 3, DJI is back with its latest offering, the Osmo Action 4. The new action camera promises to challenge GoPro and elevate the capabilities of its Osmo line. With significant upgrades such as a larger sensor, improved low-light performance, and D-Log M recording for better dynamic range, DJI aims to establish itself as the leader in the action cam game. The Osmo Action 4 features a larger 1 by 1.3 inch sensor, the same one used in many of DJI's drones, allowing for better image quality and improved low light shooting. With 4K video at 120 frames per second and 10-bit HDR, the footage is set to be cinematic and vibrant, especially when paired with a D-Log M for extended dynamic range. DJI maintains its focus on rugged video and photo use with features like rock steady and horizon steady stabilization systems, ensuring smooth footage in even the most challenging environments. The camera body is fully waterproof, making it ideal for underwater adventures. The quick release mount and dual screen setup make it convenient for capturing selfies and vlogging on the go. However, the question remains, can the Osmo Action 4 outperform the latest GoPro offerings? While GoPro continues to be a strong competitor with its HERO11 Black boosting 5.3K video capabilities, the Osmo Action 4 has stepped up its game with a larger sensor, 1 by 1.3 inches compared to GoPro's 1 by 1.9 inches. The Osmo Action 4's main selling points are its high-definition video capabilities and impressive dynamic range. The improved color and temperature calibration, combined with intelligent auto exposure and white balance features, result in clear and vivid visuals. Additionally, its ability to perform well in low-light situations cater to content creators who seek action-packed adventures in challenging lighting conditions. Let's take a look at the key specifications of the DJI Osmo Action 4. It boasts a 1 by 1.3 inch CMOS sensor with a wide 155-degree field of view, front and back color touchscreen displays, and supports video resolution of up to UHD 4K at 120 frames per second. Its rock-steady 3.0 image stabilization and horizon balance and horizon steady leveling ensures smooth shots, and the camera is waterproof down to 59 feet. The built-in microphones offer stereo audio recording, and it supports voice control for hands-free operation. All this can be yours for just $399. So, is the DJI Osmo Action 4 the new leader in the action cam pack? With its powerful features, improved sensor, and rugged build, it certainly holds its ground against the competition. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a content creator seeking top-notch video quality, the Osmo Action 4 might just be the perfect companion for your adventures.